everyone, let's start with new chapter, that is basic geometry concept. ठीक है, this chapter consists of your various definition. It only consists of 2 exercise. Firstly we'll start with the definitions. Okay, just listen to them carefully. Your first definition is point. What is a point? Point is a dot and it is represented by a capital letter. Dot has no definite length and no definite breadth. ठीक है, what is a point? Point is represented by a dot and it is denoted by a capital letter. It has no definite length and it has no definite breadth. Next is your line. Line is like this. It is represented by one letter. ठीक है. Why we are using 2 arrowheads? This means that line is endless. Endless means line has no end point. It can go up to infinite as your choice, as you want. कि मैं इसको यहाँ लेके जाना चाहता हूँ या मैं इसको इतना लंबा खींचना चाहता हूँ. दिस इज योर विश कि आप इसको कितना लंबा खींचना चाहते हो, आप खींच सकते हो. नेक्स्ट इज योर लाइन सेगमेंट. लाइन सेगमेंट हैज 2 फिक्स्ड पॉइंट्स, that is A and B. Why I am using fixed point? Because line has a definite length and it can be measured as well. ठीक है, this is all about line segment. Next is beta your ray. Ray has only one end point. Its one end point is represented by a arrowhead. Why we are using arrowhead here? Arrowhead means that this ray is endless. Like I'll give you the example of sun rays. Suppose this is a sun. Sun is a fixed point and rays reach up to you. ठीक है, रेज सन की रेज आप तक भी आ रही है और सन की रेज मुझ तक भी जा रही है. एक सन का फिक्स पॉइंट है, दैट इज वो सन का खुद एक पॉइंट है. उसके बाद क्या है, उसके बाद वो रेज है जो आप पर पड़ रही हैं. ठीक है, ये हो गया रे के बारे में. इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस वो लाइंस हुई जो एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट करती हैं. इंटरसेक्ट करना मीन्स जो एक दूसरे को किसी पॉइंट पे काटती हैं, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस. ये लाइन है एल और ये लाइन है एम. ये मान लीजिए किस पॉइंट पे काट रही है, ओ पे. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज योर बेटा पैरेलल लाइंस. व्हाट आर पैरेलल लाइंस? पैरेलल लाइंस आर दोज लाइन व्हिच हैव फिक्स्ड डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम. ठीक है, आप इस लाइन को जहाँ तक मर्जी खींच के लेके जाइए, इट विल मेंटेन द फिक्स्ड डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम. अगर डिस्टेंस किसी पॉइंट पे मान लीजिए कम हो जाता है तो दे विल इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर. देन दे विल नॉट कॉल्ड एज पैरेलल लाइन, दे विल बी कॉल्ड एज इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस. ठीक है. सो व्हाट आर पैरेलल लाइंस? पैरेलल लाइंस आर दोज लाइंस व्हिच हैव फिक्स्ड डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम. हम यहाँ पे एग्जांपल लिख सकते हैं बेटा रेलवे ट्रैक की. यू हैव रेलवे ट्रैक्स. आप किसी भी जगह पे चले जाइए, दे विल मेंटेन अ प्रॉपर एंड इक्वल डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ईच अदर. नेक्स्ट इज योर collinear points. If we have more than 2 points on the same line, they are called as collinear point. But if I have points not on the same line, that I have 2 points here, A, B, next I have here C, then these points A, B and C will not be called as collinear points. Why they are called as non-collinear points? Because they are not in the same line. Last definition is concurrent lines. What are concurrent lines? If we have more than 2 lines passing through the same point, here we have 4 lines K, L, M and N. ठीक है, they are passing through the same line, they are passing through the same point, that is O. So they are called as concurrent lines. Class, what are concurrent lines? If we have more than 2 lines passing through the same point, they are called as concurrent lines. What we have studied today, we have studied about point. Point is represented by a dot and it is denoted by a capital letter. What is line? Line is endless. It has no fixed length. It can go anywhere, wherever you want. Next is class line segment. Line segment has 2 fixed end points. ठीक है, it can be measured as well. What is a ray? Ray has one end point and the next is represented by arrowhead. Why I am using arrowhead? Because other point is endless. Next is class intersecting lines. What are intersecting lines? Intersecting lines are those lines which intersect each other at a particular point. Next is parallel lines. What are parallel lines? Parallel lines are 2 lines which always maintain an equal distance between each other. Next is collinear point. If we have more than 1 point on the same line, they are known as collinear point. What is concurrent line? Concurrent lines are those lines if we have more than 2 lines passing through the same point. यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक पॉइंट से 2 लाइन्स जा रही थी तो they were simply called as intersecting lines. इस केस में हमारी एक पॉइंट से 2 ज़्यादा लाइन्स जा रही हैं, इसे हम क्या कहेंगे? कंकरेंट लाइन्स. This was all about today's lecture. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay home.